Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because in this video, I'm going to show you something truly game-changing. If you've ever tried to transcribe a long video or audio file and hit that frustrating time limit with free tools, this one is for you. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to transcribe unlimited, long videos and audio files in any language, completely for free. Yes, you heard that right. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, no time limits. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because you don't want to miss a single step. It can handle any length of video or audio, supports all major languages, and it can even generate an SRT subtitle file if you need one. This is powered by AI, and it's completely free to use. So let's get right into it. Step 1. The very first thing you need to do is open any browser on your device. In the search bar at the top, type Custom UDP and press Enter. This will bring up the search results, and from there, you're going to tap on the official Custom UDP website to land on its homepage. This website is a hub for all kinds of powerful AI tools, so remember it because you'll find a lot of useful things there. Step 2. Once you're on the homepage, look at the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on the menu option that says AI Tools. This will take you to the Tools page where all the available AI-powered utilities are listed. Step 3. Now take a look at the different AI tools listed on this page. You're going to scroll through until you find the one called AI Video Transcriber. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see a button that says Open Colab Notebook. Click on that button to continue. This is going to take you to Google Colab, which is basically a free cloud computing platform provided by Google. Step 4. After clicking that button, you'll be automatically redirected to Google Colab, and the notebook will load automatically using your default Google account. You don't need to set anything up manually. It's all pre-configured for you. Now here's where the magic happens, so pay close attention to these next steps. Once you're inside the Google Colab notebook, go to the top menu and click on Runtime. From the drop-down, select Change Runtime Type. A small window will pop up. In that window, look for the Hardware Accelerator option and select T4 GPU. Then click Save. This is very important because selecting the GPU ensures that the transcription runs fast and smoothly. Next, go back to the Runtime menu again, and this time click on Run All, or you can simply press Ctrl and F9 on your keyboard at the same time. This will start running all the cells in the notebook one by one. Now just be a little patient here. The setup will take approximately 2 minutes to complete. You'll see things loading in the background. Once everything is ready, scroll down to the bottom of the notebook and you'll see a Gradio link appear. Click on that link. This will open a clean, simple web interface right in your browser. Here you can upload your video or audio file. The tool supports a wide range of formats. For video, you can upload MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, or WEBM files. For audio, it supports MP3, WAV, M4A, FLAC, OGG, and AAC. So whatever file you have, chances are it will work perfectly. After uploading your file, select your preferred language from the language drop-down menu. It supports all major languages, so you're covered no matter what language your content is in. Then simply hit the transcribe button and let the AI do all the work. Within a short time, you'll have a full, accurate transcription of your video or audio. And if you need an SRT file for subtitles, the tool will generate that for you as well. And that's it. That's the entire process from start to finish. It's simple, powerful, and completely free. No time limits, no paywalls, just results. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, drop them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.